In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Microsoft Copilot with your CRM platform for a seamless, automated experience. We'll dive into the integration settings and cover each step with ease, ensuring you have all the tools you need to get started. First, let's open the Microsoft Copilot integration settings. You can find these settings in the Microsoft Copilot dashboard. Once you're in, look for the section dedicated to integrations. This area is designed so you can easily connect Copilot with various applications and platforms that your business relies on regularly. You'll notice that it includes options for different tools, but our focus today is specifically on connecting with a CRM platform. The next step is to select your CRM platform from the list of compatible systems. Microsoft Copilot supports a wide range of CRM solutions, such as Salesforce, HubSpot, and Dynamics 365. Among others, picking out your CRM might seem straightforward, but double-check to ensure you're selecting the correct version or type that corresponds to what your business uses. This is critical because connecting to an incorrect version could lead to issues or mismatches in data syncing. Once you've selected your CRM, the next step involves authorizing the connection and configuring data access. First, you'll need to log into your CRM account if required, as this grants Copilot access to help facilitate the automation processes. You might encounter some permission requests during this step. These requests are necessary for Copilot to access certain data fields and functionalities. Be sure to review these permissions carefully and approve as needed, ensuring that Copilot can fully interact with your CRM data. If you're managing this integration for a larger team, it might be wise to consult with an IT professional or your CRM administrator to ensure everything aligns with your company's data policies and security standards. After you've successfully authorized the connection, it's time to configure the data access settings. Depending on your CRM and company policies, you might choose to limit Copilot's access to certain data types or sections within your CRM. Taking an extra moment to tailor these settings can provide you with peace of mind, knowing that sensitive information stays protected while still allowing Copilot to perform efficiently. With the setup complete, you can now use Microsoft Copilot to automate CRM tasks and generate insights. Copilot is incredibly powerful and can take a substantial load off your daily task list by handling repetitive actions such as data entry, scheduling follow-ups, or even generating detailed reports based on the CRM data. Take advantage of Copilot's capabilities by exploring the various automations it